mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. August 10, 2024, Saturday racing. 7 races. All 7 races ay may distansyang 1,400. Umpisa ng karera, alas 3 ng hapon. Shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout kay Mr. and Mrs. Alfredo Ramones. Shoutout kay Mr. and Mrs. Eulalio Muit. Shoutout kay paring Leo Tandaan. Shoutout kay Apolinar Pauni and family. Shoutout kay Esmeraldo Samaniego. Shoutout kay Mr. and Mrs. Eliser Ancheta. And last but not the least, shoutout kay Miss Renali Inok. Race number 1. Only choice number 3, Jengs, Head Enough. Dati na nating naging only choice ito noon, na ang nanalo sa photo finish ay si Iikot Lang laban kay Hot Rat Hearts. Panlima to dumating kasi Bugaw, pangalawa sa Bugaw, at kumilos na lang noong malapit na sa finish line. Maybe this time ay mananalo na ito. Race 2, first choice number 6, Manila Boy. Second choice number 7, Carolina Bell. Race 3, first choice number 2, Doña Leoncia. Second choice number 6, Charm Campaign. Race 4, first choice number 1, Everyday Black. Second choice number 3, Chef Cat, kabayo ni Sir JC, laging palaban. Race 5, first choice number 7, High Society. Second choice number 1, Hombre. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice number 5, Bandido. Second choice number 9, Star of the Future. Third choice number 7, Lucky Julian. Race 7, last race, race na may Super 6. First choice number 10, Best Shot. Second choice number 9, Spoil Brat. Third choice number 3, Color Blast. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!